Okay, I don't have a printed copy, so I'm just going to show you here, but I want to remind you of some of the colors that you should already actually kind of be familiar with. For the flame test, you know that copper was the only blue-green flame, and you know that sodium was the yellowish-orange one that looks like a Cheeto. Those are really the only ones in the flame test that you need, like that maybe I'd expect to have you remember. For the ions, you do already know that copper is green and the other copper is blue. You don't need to know which one corresponds to which number necessarily, just that they make greenish blues. And we already know that manganese is purple. You do need to know that one. And you should be familiar with the, let's see when we go down here. The FeSen we did in lab, so that was the very first lab that we put in the colorimeters. That's the red-brown color. And remember in the beginning of the year we did the cobalt and the cobalt 2+, that was pink and blue. So I'm just reminding you that we've seen some of these things. You just need to remember that we've seen them. And then down here, you should know all of the halogens because of the video. Also, you may or may not know NO versus NO2. NO2 is smog. And so depending, this NO has an equilibrium with the NO2 and it makes it colorful brown. But that's not the halogens you definitely need to know. You need to know that lead iodide one because that seems to come up. And you should know rust is brown. And that rust is iron 3 oxide. Then you also definitely need to know that phenolphthalein is clear in acidic solutions and pink in basic solutions. So phenolphthalein, the halogens, the lead, iodide, and rust, you should definitely know. And the other ones, the copper, anything greenish is copper. And vaguely remember the iron thiocyanate and the cobalt compounds. I think that should be good.